It's safe to say that coding agents have gotten really good at traditional software development. You scope a feature, you edit some files, you run the test, ship it, and you can do all this just by changing some files on disk. But as an AI researcher, a scientist, or a data engineer, you know how valuable it is to work interactively, especially in a reactive Python notebook like Marimo. You're running code, seeing how the data responds, iterating, and as you're doing this, you're deciding on what to do next. Now, historically, coding agents haven't had access to these interactive sessions. They, again, only see files on disk, but not the data in memory. And this is really limiting to how useful they could be for AI and data work. But that changes today with Marimo Pair. Marimo Pair is a new skill that gives agents full access to a Marimo notebook, including all the state that Python has in memory. Agents can do anything a human can in the notebook and more, which includes reading and writing variables as well as manipulating the UI. This makes it possible for the first time for humans and agents to pair up on research and data work, with the Marimo notebook being the shared canvas. So for example, here I tell Claude to load a data set of paintings, and I ask it to help me to analyze some genres. I want to get a sense of the data at a glance, so I ask it to make vector embeddings for me and to then turn that into a scatter chart. Now, this scatter chart is fully interactive, so I can make a selection myself and then see things update. But suppose I want to zoom in on all the scattered points that correspond to, say, Picasso paintings. I can tell Claude to do that, and then on my behalf, it can run the right code for me. The UI will update, and then we can move on. And this is just one example of what you can do with an agent today. Just to name a few other things, there's auto research. You can steer an agent for a bit in an interactive pair session and then let dozens of agents rip as they scale out. And I've been running a few examples of these and it's actually turning out great. As the LLM suggests improvements, I can still inspect everything that's going on, even when the experiment gets big. It's also more fun to implement a paper now. Given the right skill, you can give Claude an archive link and watch it work on an implementation, keeping you in the loop so that you can keep asking it questions while it builds. And then there's recursive language models. Marimo Pair really gives LLMs the ideal code execution environment to explore these kinds of ideas. And then of course there's data engineering. Claude can join tables for you, query them, make charts, find insights, and also build all the pipelines you like. There really is a lot to explore here, and that is why we are releasing this work early as a skill that you can download and use today. The skill comes with a few scripts that let your agent interact with a live notebook, and from here, well, it's exciting and very much uncharted territory. You can find all the relevant links in the show notes down below, and if this is your first time hearing about Marimo, think of it as an alternative to Jupyter that's reactive, way more reproducible, and reusable as pure Python. All our notebooks are stored as Python files under the hood, which is great for Git, but also for coding agents. For more information about Marimo, click here.